here, but are we heading into a heat wave, Kat?
I think it's very likely as we head into the weekend for it to be officially classed as a heat wave. Our daily maximum temperature, of course, needs to reach or exceed the heat wave temperature threshold, not for one day, but for 3 consecutive days. And it looks like over the next few days, our temperatures will reach 25 or 26 degrees, which will be classed as a heat wave for us here in Yorkshire. So this afternoon, it's going to be very warm. There's going to be plenty of sunshine around. High pressure starts to shift eastwards across the North Sea. So we'll continue to pump in that heat from the continent. Then over the weekend, I think we're going to reach the peak of the heat on Saturday. We could reach or exceed 30 degrees. And then those cooler westerlies will start to develop on Sunday. So if you're not a fan of the heat, of course, this weather is not for everybody. You'll be happy to hear into next week. It is going to be a much cooler start. So through the course of this afternoon, it's looking dry with plenty of sunshine. Top temperatures coming in at around 28 degrees, so feeling very warm. This evening and overnight, it is going to be mild for all areas with clear skies and a gentle breeze. Under those clear skies, temperatures will fall away to around 14, maybe a 15 degrees across South Yorkshire. So a mild, bright start to our Friday morning. There'll be plenty of sunshine around. I think a little more cloud around compared with today, but still long sunny spells right through until the end of the day. And just take a look at that, 30 degrees. But as mentioned, we will reach the heat of the peak as we head through Saturday.
Oh my word, I think we can just say it's scorch show, can't we? Thank you for that, Katerina.
Busting out all over.
I know, absolutely. I mean, it's felt like a proper summer's day today, hasn't it? I'll just show you from our first photo here. This was sent in earlier this morning. I mean, at times today, there's been hardly a cloud in the sky. It's felt very warm, if not hot. The second photo here, still plenty of sunshine around. This was late this afternoon, but it has felt much fresher along the coast with temperatures here in the high teens, low 20s. So perfect if you're not a fan of the warmth. Of course, this weather is not for everybody. So thank you as always for sending in your pictures. If you'd like your picture in the telly, you can send it in to us via social media, or you can head straight to the Weather Watchers website. So what we've had today, well, more of the same tomorrow. It's going to be a hot day and there is going to be plenty of sunshine around. High pressure will continue to track eastwards across the North Sea. So hot tomorrow, dry with lots of sunshine. Saturday is going to be another hot day, but there is the risk of some potentially heavy and thundery downpours. A lot of instability, humidity in the atmosphere. And then these cooler westerlies will start to pull in on Sunday. So from Sunday into the start of next week, it is going to be feeling much, much fresher. So this evening and overnight, it'll be dry with long clear spells, a gentle breeze, and it is going to feel mild once again. Temperatures down to around 14, maybe a 15 degrees in places. So yes, a very mild start to tomorrow morning. So your next high waters, we've got Scarborough at 11:44 tomorrow morning, and then Filey at 11:58. So it's going to be a fine start to Friday with plenty of sunshine. I think a little more patchy cloud through the afternoon compared with today, but patchy is the key word. There's still going to be lots of sunshine breaking through. It stays dry all day, and just take a look at that. Parts of Yorkshire could reach 30 degrees tomorrow. Again, along the coast, it is going to be a fresher day. And then as we head through the weekend, it looks like Saturday's really going to be the last day of that heat, really. So 30 degrees possibly again on Saturday. Heavy and potentially thundery downpours. Sunday, there's not going to be as many showers around, but just notice the drop off in temperature. So it's really from Sunday, we're going to start to draw in those cooler westerly winds. So as I said at the beginning, if you are not a fan of the heat like myself, this weather is not for everybody. You'll be happy to hear from Sunday and into the start of next week, it's going to be feeling much, much fresher. Phil?
Hey, it's going to be cracking the flags at Headingley for the cricket tomorrow, though, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Ooh, I'm going Saturday, so
Sun
looking
hat.
forward to that. That's as far as...